What if your next big idea didn't have to wait for anyone? Today, we're diving into how AI can become your personal tech co-pilot, letting you turn your thoughts straight into reality.
Okay, let's just jump right in with a big question. What if you could build, I don't know, an app, design a graphic, write a perfect proposal without writing a single line of code? What if the only thing you actually needed was the idea itself? I mean, that's a huge shift, and it's exactly what we're talking about today. You know the feeling, right? You get that lightning bolt of a brilliant idea, and then, bam, reality hits. You realize there's this huge chasm between what's in your head and the actual skills you need to make it happen. That's what we're calling the technical barrier. It's where so many amazing ideas just get stuck. And this wall, it's built out of stuff we all recognize. Maybe you've got this killer app idea, but you don't code. Or you have to analyze a bunch of data, but math and stats aren't your thing. Heck, maybe English isn't even your first language, or just the technical jargon itself makes your eyes glaze over. Every single one of those is another brick in that wall.
But here's the thing, and this is so important. The real power was never the code. It was always your idea. The tools are supposed to help you, not get in your way. And for way too long, they've been these gatekeepers. But, well, that's all starting to change.
So how do you get past that wall? Simple. You build a bridge. And right now, today, that bridge is being built for us by AI. Just think of it like your own personal translator, something that takes what you mean and turns it into a technical reality.
Okay, so what is this AI bridge exactly? Well, it's not just another chatbot. It's a whole new class of tool that actually listens to you in your normal everyday language, whether you type it or say it out loud, and then it just handles all the complicated technical stuff for you. It's literally a translator between a human idea and a machine's action.
And how it works is surprisingly simple. It really is. It all starts with you. You just say what you want. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need fancy tech words. The AI figures out your intent, like what you're really trying to do. And then it just grabs the right digital tool and makes it happen. All right, so that's the theory. Sounds good, right? But let's actually put this co-pilot in the cockpit and see what it can do. I've got a couple of real-world examples to show you. Okay, check this out. On the left, you've got this kind of messy, informal request, the kind of thing you'd type in a hurry, right? But look at the right. The AI didn't just repeat your words. It understood the goal. It created a totally professional email. It found the order number. It used a polite tone. It even added that call to action about a timeline. It just handled all the annoying little details.
Okay, now let's try something more creative. Let's say you have this picture in your head, right? A futuristic city skyline at dusk, neon lights. You just give it those simple words. The AI then becomes your personal art director. It translates that vibe you described into the super detailed technical language that an AI image generator needs to create something truly spectacular.
So yeah, it feels like magic. I get it. But it's not. It's translation. The AI is just the ultimate interpreter. It's fluent in both human creativity and machine logic, and it connects the two.
And once you really start thinking of AI this way, as a translator, it's like you've unlocked a whole new set of tools. Let's break down the creative superpowers this actually gives you.
Basically, these powers fall into three big buckets. First up is communication. Think tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, helping you write literally anything. Then you've got visualization. This is where things like Midjourney or Ideogram come in, turning your words into images. And finally, automation. This is about using AI to crunch complex data or even connect your favorite apps to do work for you, saving you just tons of time. So why is this such a big deal? I mean, really? Why does it matter? Well, for starters, it saves you an incredible amount of time. It completely levels the playing field, so it's your idea that counts, not whether you can code. It means you can go from an idea to a working prototype in like an afternoon, and it just smashes down language barriers. All right, so now you've got the keys to the cockpit, and AI is an amazing co-pilot for sure, but you have to remember, you are the pilot. So let's run through a quick pre-flight checklist to make sure you're getting the best possible results.
Think of this like your pilot's checklist, okay? First, be specific. The more detail and context you give your co-pilot, the better it's going to fly. Second, and this is a great pro tip, ask the AI, what assumptions did you make here? It's a fantastic way to spot if it misunderstood you. Third, you are always the final check. Always. Double-check any important facts or figures it gives you. And last, but definitely not least, protect your cockpit. Never, ever share sensitive personal info or company data.
So if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. This technology isn't here to replace you. It's here to unleash you. Let the AI worry about the complex controls, the technical stuff. You just focus on the destination, on where you want to go. Because at the end of the day, you're the pilot.